Cage flyback rope and racing Minsan. Jam squeak Carragaita. Moving up on the Lord of the Sun, then followed by Gracious Soul, Speed Admiral, Dark Hero, and Ubitron. Passing the winning post, Minsan takes up the running Balank, followed now by Speed Admiral. Lord of the Sun is running by the wheel, Dark Hero, Gracious Soul, and Ubitron. And going along for the first turn, it's Minsan leads Balang Kanya, followed by Lord of the Sun in second, and Speed Admiral running in third, Dark Hero, then followed now by Ubitron and Gracious Host. Is now running in the tail of the field. Into the back they travel. It's Minsan leads Balang, followed by Lord of the Sun. Speed Admiral running in third, and Dark Hero, Ubitron moving up by the wheel. Fitpa long way back, Gracious Host nearing the last 600. Minsan, Lord of the Sun, Dark Hero on the outside. Ubitron running in fourth, and Speed Admiral inside the last 600. Lord of the Sun takes up the running, Dark Hero on the outside, and Minsan, Ubitron coming home to now. Speed Admiral as they swing for home. Lord of the Sun, Minsan, Dark Hero on the outside. It's now Minsan regains the lead. Lord of the Sun, Ubitron, and Dark Hero on the outside. Minsan and Ubitron, Dark Hero on the outside, was still Minsan. Ubitron, Dark Hero, Lord of the Sun, and Speed Admiral. Gracious Host comes in last.
Alright, so
Coach Leo, at ito na ang isa sa pinakaabangan ng Manila Horsepower. Itong race number 11. Make some noise, FHB! Alright, alam nyo kung bakit? Dahil ang binibigyan po namin ng tribute, hindi memory, sir. Binibigyan po namin ng parangal dito sa race number 11 ay walang iba kung hindi ang kaibigan po ng Manila Horsepower, kaibigan ng bayang karirista, kaibigan ng mga kababaihan at ng kalalakihan. Ayan, pare, malinis yan, ha? At siyempre, ito po ay walang iba kung hindi ang ating kaibigan, race caller, anchorman par excellence, Ira Herrera. Parang nanlalambot kayo. One more time, Ira Herrera. Ayan, alright, lalabas na tayo dito dahil siyempre para makita naman natin. Mamaya itutuloy pa rin natin yung telenovela at kasali ka na rin, pare, sa ginagawa namin telenovela ngayon dito. Alright, race number 11, the Manila Horsepower Directors Cup. As far as I can see, may nakikita ko dito mga original founding directors. Nandiyan si Daday Zamora Taketo, diyan si Ogie Cavalcade, hindi Alcacid, Vicente. At syempre, yung dalawang bossing natin, walang iba, yung mga benefactors natin dyan, Chairman Edwin Giliarte and President Ferdy Eusebio, and President for this year, Noni Neri. Mga bossing, make some noise, FHB! Alright. Teka, baka makalimutan natin, may nanalong kabayo, sir. Yung nanalo po ay Dehado, paminsan-minsan. At tatawagin na natin yung representative ng kabayong paminsan-minsan. Eto na siya, si sir. Mr. Arnel Arevalo, the trainer of paminsan-minsan. Sir, come on. Inasahan niyo ba yan, boss? Ay, talaga namang inasahan. Nakarinig din ako ng hindi chamba. Yan talaga, inasahan. Alright. Inaabot na ni Mr. Ira Herrera ang plaque sa trainer ng kabayong paminsan-minsan. Alright. Boss Arnel, sino ba ang ating sota?
Si Ben.
Nandiyan ba si Ben o nasa kwadra? Ikaw na rin ang kukuha. O Lito, halika. Halika, ikaw ang kumuha ng bisikleta. Ayan, at iparada mo na dito. We are down to the final race, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan na, isang bisikleta na lang ang natitira. Ibang klase. Ano, Ira?
Tatanong yung trainer kung pwede.
Trainer na lang daw papasada. Alright, ayan po. Once again, congratulations to the owner of Paminsan-Minsan, represented by the trainer, Arnel Arevalo. At yung kanyang si Lito, yung kukuha naman ng bisikleta. At Consehal Ferdy, would you like to say something po? Or Mr. Edwin Giliarte, Chairman, sir? Noni Neri? Ito na. Pakinggan niyo mabuti. Bayang karirista ang aming tribute kay paring Ira.
2012 Racing Festival Manila Horsepower Directors Race is in honor of Mr. Ira Herrera, who from his humble beginnings became a horse race scholar at the Philippine Racing Club in Makati City. His self-study further developed his skills and talent until he became a racehorse anchor at the Manila Jockey Club. He was also instrumental in some of our organization's programs and assisted the 2007 Manila Horsepower Tribute to his colleague Ernie Enriquez and Carding Zuniga. Various organizations and television networks have also manifested his contribution and talent in the industry that will serve as an inspiration to the Filipino youth. This award is given this 4th day of March 2012 during the Racing Festival with the Manila Horsepower Organization at the San Lazaro Business and Leisure Park, Carmona, Cavite, Philippines. Signed, yours truly, President, Councilor Ferdy Eusebio, Chairman, and Edwin Guillarte, Chairman Emeritus. Pero meron pa, nakapagpaalam na ako sa director ng SLBN. We would also like to greet our honorary advance in a few hours. Birthday po ni Mr. Ira Herrera. Happy birthday to you.
Ayan po, meron po kaming iniaabot na sobre na naglalaman ng 5 milyon piso. At isang cellphone na pwedeng, kahit ano, pwede pare. At ikaw, kailangan makarinig kami ng konting pasakali sa'yo. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ira Herrera.
Okay, una po sa lahat, maraming salamat sa bumubuo ng Manila Horsepower Organization Incorporated. Kulang-kulang 16 na taon na po ako sa serbisyo, no? Nagsimula ako October 3, 1997 bilang tagapagtawag ng karera na nabigyan po ng pagkakataon na makapag-angkor, magsilbi sa inyong lahat bayang karerista at sa pamamagitan po ng naibigay niyo sa aking regalo. Ito na po yata ang hindi ko matatawanan na pinakamahal na regalong natanggap ko sa buong pagbe-birthday ko. Mabuhay ang Manila Horsepower. Chairman, of course, ang walang kapagurang konsehal ng Makati, Konsehal Ferdy Eusebio, maraming salamat. Kay Presidente Noni Neri, of course, Chairman Emeritus, Boss Edwin Guillarte, at sa lahat ng mga Dabarkads natin, Manila Horsepower, binigyan niyo po ako ng dahilan upang ipagpatuloy ko ang aking nasimulan. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga kaibigan natin, mabuhay kayong lahat, bayang karerista.
At hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos, bayang karerista. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating telenovela dito, Mr. Ding Magbuo. Kanina kasi sabi ng dalawang muse natin, gusto niya taga Makati, yung isa gusto taga Mandaluyong. Eh nagkataon, meron ako isang kaibigan dito, may bahay sa Makati, may bahay sa Mandaluyong. Walang iba kundi si Mr. Ira Herrera. Kaya siyempre, naiimbitahin kita dito para ipapakilala kita kay Venice. Venice, meet Ira Herrera. At saka pare, ayan naman si Justin. Pero hindi pa po nagtatapos ang telenovela. Abangan nyo ang susunod mamaya sa final race. Meron tayong surprise character mamaya. Iyan po ay sa pagbabalik ng karera, huling karera dito sa San Lazaro Leisure Business Park, kung saan nagse-celebrate ang Manila Horsepower ng Racing Festival MHP. Yes!